student, this is the question GATE 1998, 1 mark. A computer has 6 tape drive. There are 6 tape drive. There are 6 type of resource R and process competing for them. Each process may need 2 tape drive. Each PI need 2 tape drive. 2 tape drive. What is the maximum value of N to be a deadlock free? Let's suppose we will take the 6 process in the beginning, and each process takes 1 resource. Then what will happen? If we take the N equal to 6, then system is in deadlock, because if we take the maximum 6 process, then what will happen? Each process take 1 resource, then out of 6 no one process can go into the execution, means all process get stuck and blocked, so there is a deadlock arise. But it is asking the maximum value of N for which deadlock free, means 6 पे तो आपका डेडलॉक आ रहा है, अगर मैं एक प्रोसेस कम कर देता हूं तो व्हाट विल हैपन? वन प्रोसेस, एनी वन प्रोसेस विल गेट द 2 रिसोर्स एंड इट विल गो इनटू द एग्जीक्यूशन. It will go into the execution and deadlock free. So N is 5 is the maximum number of process कि deadlock not occur. When it finish, P5 finish its execution, it will release this resource, and that resource is also taken care by another processes for complete its execution. So the answer is 5. 5 is the maximum number of process that ensure that system will never in deadlock. Getting my point? Every process need, is the explanation, every process need 2 resource. With 5 resource, at least one can get, if we are taking the 5 process, then at least one process can get 2 whole resource and execute. So after the execution it free 2 resource. Let's suppose P6 take 2 resource, P5 take 2 resource, and P5 get into the execution, and after the execution it will release the resource that is used by the another process. So answer is 5. Clear hai? Getting my point? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.